Hello, I discovered I was wrong about having to use iAssembly in order to turn on or off the machining that is performed on a weldment. So I'm going to press Control N for new and start a new weldment. For this, I will place a couple of content center parts. There we go. Computer was a little frozen there. Okay. Okay, here's a weldment. I will go into the machining environment, start a new sketch. I will notch the top of this beam. I'm not going to constrain that sketch. I would if this was an actual an assembly. I'll go ahead and save this. I'll do one more feature inside of this notch. I guess technically this would be considered two. Okay. And I'll exit the machining environment. So when we first started the project, of course, we wanted to show what this would look like at the welding table. And of course it wouldn't have this notch, it wouldn't have these holes. So I did mess around with representations to try to turn the machining on and off. That didn't work, and I was able to do it successfully with iAssembly. iAssemblies are still great, and I'm still using them, but you don't have to use them to turn off machining. It's much simpler. So I'm going to right click on my part number and create a drawing view, choose my template. I can use any of these views. Actually, I'll just go ahead and throw in the typical views. Okay. This isometric view might not update, but anyway. So in order to turn off the machining, you double click on the parent view and go to the model state tab. Now I believe this only shows up in weldments. At the bottom left, you can see these radio buttons, and the radio button beside machining is checked, is on by default. So if I click on assembly and click OK, the machining is gone. It's even gone in the isometric view. I did not know that. I did not know that. So on another sheet, we've been putting the machining and the welding on two different sheets. But I'll just do this on the same sheet, just for demonstration. And if I'm already going a little bit farther, I think you already get the point. But anyway, I can, on this view over here, I can click on assembly, and here I have, the same assembly, but I'm able to show the machining and the welding. Just that simple. So I apologize about that. I did not know that, and I stumbled upon it. In fact, I think actually, if you double click on this view and go to model state, the way that you choose a different member of your iAssembly factory family is by going to this drop down menu, and I believe I was changing the family member when I noticed this. So okay, thanks.